Okay, so welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to be reviewing the Sony SRS-XB43, I believe this is called. Obviously check the title for that just in case. This is a, well, I mean surprisingly large, to be honest. I looked at the pictures on Amazon and whatnot and it looked, I don't know, I imagine it to be like the JBL Flip 5 kind of size, but this thing's pretty massive and it's very heavy as well. I'm not sure how much it weighs like actually, but it's, you know, it's a substantial piece of equipment here. So I'll go through the looks of it first. It's got no handle or anything, so it could be kind of hard to carry. This is more of an indoor speaker, I'm guessing. It's got these lights on the two speakers and the tweeters on the side here, and they'll dance and flash, you know, in different ways depending on the music tempo and all of that. It's got these lights on the side which change colour and flash and do dancey things when the music's on as well, which is quite nice. On the side, on either side here, it's got these bass radiators, which are, yeah, well, I mean, it doesn't produce a massive amount, but for this size, I'd say it's pretty good. You've got the buttons on the top here, so if I just stand up, as you can see, this button here shows that it uses NFC. There, and then we've got a power button, a Bluetooth button, the play and pause button, and that accepts calls and all that. And if you double click this, it skips to the next song. If you triple click it, this is the first speaker I've pretty much ever seen that it will actually go back a song. Obviously the volume up and down button is the live button, and if you hold that live button, it will turn into stamina mode, which just prolongs the battery and reduces the audio output and the lights and all that. Around the back, we've got a little hatch here. Oh god, these little things are always hard. So obviously that's the main waterproofing part of it. You've got a USB out for charging mobile devices. You've got an aux in, the USB-C, which is used for charging. This battery thing.
Battery about 50%.
Reads the battery out, and if you hold it, it will turn the lights on and off. Party mode for connecting two speakers, and a stereo pair for choosing a left and right speaker once you've connected them. So that little hatch there, and then on the bottom side here, there isn't a whole lot. It's just two little legs basically for it to stand on. This speaker can stand upwards or horizontally. So yeah, it's got kind of a dual form factor there. As for the sound quality, I've just made an audio comparison video, this against the Logitech Z407 speakers, I believe. So you should be, that should be up now, so you can go watch that if you want to see an actual audio. But from what I've used, which is about a day of use, so I know it's not a lot, but for this sound, for this size, it definitely produces very good sound. The bass could definitely be improved. It's not something you're not going to be, if you're a really bassy person, I wouldn't necessarily say this is for you, but the quality is really nice and it goes pretty loud. And the lights, yeah, as with every speaker with lights, I think it really adds to the music. So personally, I really like it, but it is £160 here in the UK. So I suppose this video is just to help you decide whether you believe that's worth it or not. Any questions you have, leave them in the comments and I will try to answer them all.